Oh, what's up?
Hey, I said I'll give you a few minutes to stop that.
That better not be on your grinder page.
Times I gotta get my sunglasses.
It's getting cold there.
I fucking went in there and I forgot them again.
Let's go.
Fuck you, Bill.
Hey.
Wait. Now you want to hug.
And then?
No, and then.
And then.
Radiator fucking guard you got there.
Emperor Racing. It's one piece. This thing's sick.
Fucking sway bar, fucking bolt-ons.
All the bolt-ons, buddy.
I love that fucking beer vest thing.
Right? That was from
That is epic.
Root of All Evil last weekend.
That is epic.
Fuck are those things? Where'd you get those from?
Dude, these are here.
Where'd you get those from?
In my pocket.
Yeah? What, you been looking for them all morning?
No.
And they were
No?
in a pocket?
2 tons.
The whole fucking morning he's been looking for them. Oh, they're in my pocket.
Yeah.
Can the rats stay on seat?
I want to see that flapping in the wind behind you. Fucking roosting me. Oh, just getting pelted.
wasn't here before.
What do you mean? How was it not here?
What's that?
How was it not here?
Well, I think maybe the road was washed out and they did something different here.
Oh.
Somewhere I remember it was washed out real bad.
Oh, hey, buds.
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Oh, you know,
Billy, love
just trying to blend in here. Trying to blend in.
Blended.
With your gloves
There it is. It's something. It's one of these ones.
Yeah, you made me fart. Are we doing first aid?
Is that Eddie's helmet?
Yeah, who else is wearing pink fucking goggles?
That's a good point. Where did my other glove go? Did you steal my glove? Yeah, you did. I just you stole my glove. I got it. Wow.
Grass bomb.
What's up? What's up? It's recording.
I'll catch you. Are you tanning? It's not tin roof. It's not tanning up there.
How's that work? Just
point. It's already recording. Freedom! We miss you, Cooper. Motherfucker. Trying not to stab myself in the fucking leg. Many. Oh, he smells it. I do one off it too.
so recording, right? Yeah.
That's not iPhone.
What's up?
That's all you got. He's like, you reached inside a man's house.
He's all here. We're ripping up.
Last time I saw you like this, we put that stupid hair in your chest.
Oh, I know.
Remember
That
that,
was
one?
here.
And
Yeah,
that was Lytton, actually. Yeah, that was awesome.
Right here.
It was like right here.
It was right here when the helicopter came.
That's right. When he picked up that dude that crashed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah,
None of us
before
were
that.
in a fucking frame.
No.
Eddie.
Hit it. What's up, brother?
Hit it.
Boom.
Hey, Phil.
Love you, Cooper. Miss you,
Ah,
buddy.
love you, Coopers. Fuck
I think
yeah.
like
April.
that was
What about you,
probably
Phil?
April.
April.
Yeah, she rapes people.
Oh, God.
Just don't turn your back to her. She'll fuck your shit up.
What a fucking beauty, eh?
Ah, she's a beautiful girl, yeah. There he is.
Hey! Nice!
That was awesome. Nice goggles, Husqvarna. What are you doing? Riding the Yamaha, Husqvarna?
I won them actually.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
That time when we were camping, you guys oh yeah. I was like, oh shit.
Ring ding. Ring ding. Ding.
See that fucking bounce? Why?
Get dressed, you guys.
I am dressed. I
I'm
got ready
dressed
this
as
morning
fuck.
when I got.
It wasn't that bad, was it?
No, we got a poopy back.
It's just kind of gross. I was saying wave. We're in the video.
Yeah, I eat shit.
Love you, brother!
Woo! Hey, little bro, look at who we got. We all made it almost to the top of the world, I think. And this fucking princess cap for you.
Tater.
And Tater too. And Tater.
We got
Tater.
dates, and you guys are riding high, and I know you're riding high.
Nah, we didn't.
Gone and never forgotten. May you guys all come back here and celebrate him
Every year?
every year. And
I'll do it.
Every year.
We got you. You can do it. Come on. You got this.
Catholic.
love you. Oh, for fuck's sakes.
Best two-stroke shit I heard all day. Oh, she's smoking. Fuck you guys are awesome. Cooper, man. We need more tires.
Oh yeah.
Let me get a little clip of that there. Oh, there it is. A little float in the wind. Ah, yeah, attaboy.